The infamous ManyChat. We heard about it. Everybody talks about it. ManyChat automation is the biggest key to everything. But I found a different solution,
Tell us about it.
and I think you should check it out. I think you may like it. Go High Level has created a ManyChat feature that's pretty dope, and I'm going to explain it to you today.
Clap off, clap on, clap off, the clapper.
So in this video right here, I'm going to actually show you the breakdown and actually show you how to build a automation comment webflow workflow sequence. And let's dive in. Now that you're inside of Go High Level, you would go over to your tab, go over to automations, and we're going to start this workflow. They have a pre-made one that's already in here already, and we can do that one. But we're going to start one from scratch. So you'll know how to do it from scratch, just in case you want to add to it. Now that you're inside the workflow, you'll come over here and go to triggers. You'll go all the way down till you see Facebook comments. It's down here below. It's right here. Click on your comments. So now your trigger is here. It's going to give you the different features here that you can actually have. All of these. You have your birthday reminders, contact tags, and all that. We're going to actually keep it really simple today. We're going to stay here with this trigger. It's going to be based on a post. So we're going to say it is a post. It came from, we're going to use this one right here, LP marketing. And then we're going to say what type of post it is. So then you go tell what it is. We want to say it's a published post. Now we got to say this published post is. So it already knows. We'll say it is. And then we can come here. We'll put a post here. And then we can come down here. And we'll add a phrase. So now that we can add a phrase under here. So now what's the phrase will be? We can say kids. That's one. And what I like to do is give it different variations of size. We'll go all caps here. Kid. And then we'll do one that's all lowercase. You never know what they're gonna type it in, so we like to do all different kind of phrases. So it's kids. So now we have that. We'll come down here and track the first comment, so it'll like it, and we'll activate that on, so it'll give it a like, and then we start the trigger. Then we'll come here, go down, and we want to give it a tag. We want to tag it. Always want to tag it. So then we'll come down and tag it. And we can say kids. Come down and add tag. So now that it knows it's a kid. So then we hit save action. Now, since it's here, we need to trigger it to make a comment. So now we will come over here and we'll go down to comment. So reply to comment, and then now we have an option here. So we can come in here and give it different variations. We can say from there we want to add, then we can put here. They're gonna like the comment. If we want to put another respond here, this is something I do. So this is a little hack. We come over here and do the tag. We can come to contact, First name, we add first name. We say thank. Let's do this way. Thank you. And then it has a contact's name. So now it makes it personal, like we reached out to them. So now that we have this, everything checks out here. We hit save. Now we'll come over here, and I like to put a wait period so it won't come trigger so fast. So we're going to wait, and we can say give it 1 minute because we're doing it for the video. So we can say 1 minute. So after 1 minute, it'll be up. So now we put it 1 minute. Then we can come over here, and now we can come down, and now we want to inbox it. So now we can come down to, let's see here, Facebook interaction messenger. Now we can come over here. It gives us the DM. We don't have a template here. We can say, do a trigger. We come up with contact, first name. We can say, now we can have this here. We save it. And see, now it goes off a DM comment. And then we have it here. And that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna test it. We're gonna add a publish. Going to save it. Now I am going to use my phone, and I'm going to send a message to it using my different Facebook account. So now if I show you, I came over here and I liked it. I'm going to go to Facebook and show you what that actually looks like. So now what I did was comment below. The trigger word, that was kids. Refresh this. And then we'll hop back in. Okay. And then right here, as you see, you comment below kids. It says thank you, and it left a remark down at the bottom. We can do another one to show you. I'm gonna use a here. I'm gonna take my other account, I'm gonna switch it. All right, now that I'm on my Facebook account, what I'm gonna do is go over here. I'm gonna hit comment. All right. Now we're gonna do a different variation. I'm on my other account, and now we're gonna try to trigger it this way. Alright, so now we're going to comment, and we want to comment the little kid. We're going to do it in all lowercase this time. But yeah, let's do it different. We're going to do all caps. All caps. And we'll hit enter. Wait. And we'll see what magic happens. See, it gave me a notification over here that it comment kid. You want to refresh it. All right, now that we refreshed it, We can go down and check it out. See what we got. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll go down to comments. Now it gives us a like and then it tells us thank you. So now that we see this, you see it did it proof on both sides. It gives us a thumbs up for the like, and then it gives us a thumbs up and it says the name. So now we have to look and see, all right, did it give us a comment? So now what we'll do is we'll go over to our inbox. Now I click my inbox and look what I have. It says, thank you, Larry, for liking my post. So see, that's what we have and that's what it's supposed to be. So if anybody likes this feature, like I said, it's a ManyChat feature, high level, let me know, leave me a comment, leave me a like if you found this information that was on here valuable and this actually helps you. I'll be doing more tutorials like this to show you how to use automation in all different other kind of ways. But this is a feature that you can use on Facebook and Instagram. It's in beta, but it's a pretty good feature. So give me a comment if you still like ManyChat or you still want to go to a high level and use all the automations there. Leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and that's it. I'm out.